Let's start with the Online Learning Resource Center. Many bits of information here for students. Lots of guides, access to Microsoft Office, time management tips, group project success tips, the CMU Writing Center. Students submit their writing online. There's also an APA overview video here. The libraries are wonderful, wonderful resources. Students can ask a librarian at the chat. Math Assistance Center for many of our online courses, many math courses. They do tutoring over the phone, and they also will do a chat with a student through Blackboard so that they can use the whiteboard and draw on it. Online Ally resources. These are successful CMU students who have taken a combination of online and classroom courses and juggle life. They help students create calendars for all of the due dates in their courses and help them find other resources at CMU as well. One of our newest resources for all students at CMU is the Presentation Skills Center, with appointments for our online students and off-campus students through Skype and WebEx. It's not just getting ready for a presentation in a class. They'll help students with other public speaking skills as well as job interviewing. Student Disability Services, whether a student is registered with them or not, has a lot of information on their website. Study skills, for example. Look at all of the resources available here for students. You can look up information about using your memory, being able to memorize things for class. Wonderful resources here. They have different workbooks, perfectionism, procrastination. Counseling Center has resource information available for students as well. Campus and community resources. Some of the other resources the Counseling Center has on their site include apps for smartphones, videos, podcasts,